It was another stupendous day of rally on the stock markets, with both the BSE, SENSEX and the Nifty ending the day with gains of nearly 3%. The Nifty managed to stay above that 11,600 marks points, and the SENSEX was well above that 39,000 points mark to end the day at almost 39,095 points. With this, along with the Friday's rally, we have seen the SENSEX and the Nifty now gaining almost close to, if you see the Friday's close, the SENSEX rallied almost 5.3%, and today's rally of almost 3% takes the net gains on the SENSEX and the Nifty to nearly 8.3% in 2 days of trading on Friday and Monday. So what happened on Friday was the Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman cut the corporate tax rates, and that takes the effective tax rates to almost 25.71%. This has led to 2 days of solid rally on the markets on Friday as well as Monday. So what led gainers today really was the stocks that are going to pay, the companies that are going to pay the highest amount of tax, and the way they benefit from that corporate tax rate cut. So the companies that benefit the maximum rallied, had a stupendous rally today. So what led gainers today was clearly we saw oil refining companies, both BPCL and Indian Oil, both gaining ground in trade today. But BPCL was really the biggest gainer on the Nifty today. Other stocks that led gainers was, of course, Larsen and Toubro. This again is a big winner in terms of the corporate tax cuts. It won't have to pay as much and is among the top gainers in terms of the corporate tax rate cuts. So this stock also gained ground. We saw a lot of buying interest in the stock of Eicher Motors. This again, it gained 15-20% on Friday, add another 9-10% today's gains, and you saw a solid rally in the stock of Eicher Motors with 2 days of gains. Now, what led losers today in trade was clearly Z Entertainment. Z Entertainment was also among the stocks that saw declines on Friday. Now, remember, last week we had reports that the court-appointed arbitrator has disallowed the promoters of Z Entertainment to sell their unpledged shares. So this led to a huge amount of selling pressure in the stock of Z Entertainment. It closed almost 10% lower. The other stock that was that saw losses today was Infosys. It closed almost 5% lower. Now, among the corporates that have gained, the companies that have really not gained in terms of the corporate tax cuts are software companies. They won't gain anything. So this led to some amount of selling in the stocks of IT companies. Infosys lost as much as 5%, and TCS2 lost ground. Now, coming to the outlook, we saw the European markets, the German DAX, the French CAC, the UK's FTSE a tad bit lower. We know what has happened in Europe. We've had the collapse of Thomas Cook. This has led to a huge selling pressure across the European markets. But this really did not have its impact on the Indian markets, and we continue to rally on the back of that Friday's news and on corporate tax cuts, and we saw some follow-up buying today. The outlook continues to remain buoyant. We expect if this rally continues, we'd probably see a record closing across the Nifty and the SENSEX probably this week or probably in the next fortnight itself. So the markets look buoyant. There's no reason to go out there and sell stocks at the moment. Hold on to your positions. We'll see probably today, last 2 days, we are seeing index stocks gaining. Probably what will happen is we'll see broader markets gain. So we'll probably see the mid caps, the small caps also participate in the rally. So hold on to your positions, because we expect the markets to continue to rally further from here.